Y'all, casi no había food Friday. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, y'all know that I messed up my back and I had to go to the emergency room. But I am here now, so if you guys could just, you know, give this a like, subscribe, that'll help me out a lot because your girl's gonna get hospital bills, okay? Buenos dias, hermosuras! Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be making a keto pumpkin roll cake pastry dessert. You guys know with weight loss surgery you get something called dumping syndrome. I talked about this on my story on Instagram the other day where I ate three Oreos y me estaba muriendo. I was like up to here. I had cold sweats. I had lots and lots of nausea, vomiting, you know, wanting to vomit but couldn't vomit, and it was just like a whole thing. So since the surgery, well, since before the surgery, since I started my whole weight loss journey in January, I do everything sugar free or very little sugar, and I look for alternatives in like the sweetness and stuff like that. So today we have a keto pumpkin roll and it's made with no sugar. Well, let me just come back a little bit because yes, it does have sugar. It does have sugar in the filling. I used an alternative sugar. I believe it was called like monk fruit, something like that. But that is what I used on the filling. Now for the actual bread, I didn't use sugar. I put protein. I used vanilla protein. The vanilla protein comes with, you know, comes a little bit sweetened, so that's what I used for sugar. I did make another one with no protein and it tastes really good with no sugar because the cream cheese does have, you know, sugar in it. What we're going to be making today, it looks a little busted, you know, it is a little bit cracked here and there, but it tastes really good. Con un cafecito por la mañana, un cafecito por la noche, you know, and it's really good. Let me also say this is not my recipe. I pulled from different types of articles on Google. Google has been my best friend to try and find alternatives for like desserts and things like that that I could eat during the day, and you know, just things that I could have in my refrigerator on hand so I could, you know, beat that sugar craving, because for me, sugar has been my weakness. So if you want to know how to make this keto pumpkin roll perfect for October, November, and part of December, keep on watching. We are going to start by preheating our oven at 325, and in a bowl we're going to add 2 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cups of coconut flour, 1/2 cup vanilla protein. I use the Orgain organic vanilla protein, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon pumpkin spice. If you don't have pumpkin spice, you can make it easily with 1 tablespoon nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, cloves, ginger, and nutmeg. Give all that a good mix. Add 1.5 cups pumpkin puree, then add 1/2 cup melted butter, 4 eggs 1 by 1, and then 1/2 cup of milk and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix all that well. It should be easy to move but not runny. If it's too runny, you can add more almond flour. If it's too stiff, you can add more milk. Now you're going to get your jelly pan or just a sheet pan. I got this one at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree comes in clutch every time. Line it with parchment paper. The thing here is to evenly spread it. Make sure it's not too thin because then it's going to burn, but not too thick because then it's not going to cook through. Leave it there for about 35 to 40 minutes depending on how, you know, your oven works. Now for the cream cheese filling, we're going to use 16 ounces of light cream cheese, and the monk fruit I would suggest adding little by little because it does get sweet pretty fast. Now once you take out your cake from the oven, make sure it's cool to the touch and start rolling it tightly and slowly. Give it a good roll, leave it there for about 10 minutes, and before it cools down all the way, that's when we're gonna add the cream cheese filling. Just unroll it, and we're gonna do that now. You can see right here that there's cracking, it's ripped. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. The cream cheese works as a glue, so we gotta see like the positives in this, okay? Put it there and then roll it. So put your cream cheese, spread it evenly, roll it again, and we're gonna leave it in the fridge for 1 hour, a whole hour or overnight, however you want. You could put powdered sugar on top of this once you're done, you know, to plate it up and make it look nice. But the cream cheese was very sweet for me, so I didn't want to add any more sugar. But there you go, give it a nice cut. Un cafecito with a little bit of pumpkin creamer, and boom. And there you guys have it. Super easy to make. It literally depends a lot on your oven. So, you know, if you know how to work your oven well, your girl does not. To say that when I see a recipe, I try it out first, and if I like it, then I share it with you guys. If I don't like it, then I don't even put it up. I don't even talk about it, because why make you guys go through a bad thing like I went through a bad thing? It's just not fair. Yeah, will you be trying out the keto pumpkin roll? Let me know, and if you guys do it, definitely tag me over on Instagram or on TikTok or wherever you see the video, you know, wherever you want to post it. On Instagram 24/7. I shouldn't, but I am. TikTok, Facebook, all that good stuff. I'll leave that all linked down on the description box below. And yeah, if you guys want to chat or anything, I'm there. Social media every day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good soup. Bye.